It's cold outside, so on today's episode of Shit You Were Supposed to Learn in High School Science But Probably Didn't, I figured I would tell you why they salt the roads in winter. Mr. Tim, Mama said you're probably gonna fall on the ice anyway and eat asphalt so it makes it taste better. Oh, bless your heart. Mama was stupid. If you don't remember, water comes in three basic phases. Water vapor, liquid water, and ice. And honestly, what determines if something's a solid, liquid, or gas is how fast the particles are moving. For example, I have my students, even in college, say, this is solid, this is liquid, this is gas. Water is unique because we call it a polar molecule, meaning it has a negative pole and a positive pole. Those positive and negatives make water want to stick to other water molecules. Here, we see a particle diagram of liquid water. The water sticking to itself, but the particles are still moving. Over here, we see a particle diagram of ice. The particles are slowing down, and they form what's called a lattice formation. Water is one of the fewer substances that actually expands as it solidifies. If you're married, you already know this. Every marriage has their hall pass. You're attracted to your spouse, but there's that one famous person that you're like, see ya! For example, mine is Tom Hardy. So even though water molecules are attracted to themselves, they're more strongly attracted to positively charged ions like sodium. Notice how the water molecules aren't even paying attention to each other? Here you can see both sodium and chlorine dissolved in water, and none of the water molecules are attracted to each other. They're only attracted to the sodium and the chlorine, which helps prevent the formation of this. Well, Tim, in my state, they salt the road with magnesium chloride. Magnesium's even more attractive to water than sodium is. It's like having two Tom Hardys show up on my front doorstep. Ow. So long story short, the sodium and chlorine attract the water. That way the water's not attracted to itself and it helps prevent the ice from forming. That's all.